Badum, 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 badum. Hi. It's your boy XAUKING, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, we're going to look at Bitcoin dollar. So, what's up, people? Listen up. If you have never, ever, 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 ever in your life held a swing trade before, this is your opportunity, man. This is the one. This is your opportunity to hold the Bitcoin dollar trade all the way up to $100,000. If you're ready for this move, please comment down below. All right, so what are we looking at? We are looking at something called the mug. All right, I call it the mug. Some people call it the cup handle, but I call it the mug. Please forgive me for the background noise, guys. I really cannot do anything about that. So this is it. This is the mug. All right, something like this. It doesn't look as neat. Wow, oh man, how am I gonna do this? Yeah, so something like this. This looks like the mug, bro. So this is the mug. All right. So this is our mug. All right. So normally, when this happens right here, we should have continuation right here. Okay. And if you look carefully, we got the mug. This is the mug, and now we're gonna have continuation. And normally, man, it's gonna move to $300,000. I told you guys before. I think I wrote it. I wrote this down on my, what was it? I wrote it as an article on my LinkedIn, if I'm not mistaken. And I know y'all people gonna call me crazy, but this is what I got in hand. Okay, we're soon gonna see cryptocurrency go to the moon, guys, especially Bitcoin. And before I proceed with the technical analysis for today with the mug, let me remove the drawings. Let me grab the XAUUSD chart on the 12 hour. Okay, let's do this. Let's quickly go on the XAUUSD, which is gold. So let's find gold right now before we proceed with the technical analysis on BTCUSD, because this video is based I'm doing it for Bitcoin dollar, guys. This is it, man. This is the one. Okay, let me delete this. Let me show you guys what you guys missed. Okay, let's delete this. So where is that? 12 months, 4 hours. Let me see. Let's see how this looks like. So the same thing. Oh, okay, let me go on daily. The same thing happened on gold. All right, people did not see this one coming. Okay, people didn't see this one coming. The mug happened on gold, guys. The mug happened on gold. All right, the mug happened on gold. And then when the mug happens, nobody can stop the mug, because the mug will make sure that it goes. So this is it, right? This is the mug on gold. And then we get the extension, and after the extension we got continuation. And look at it, beautiful movement. This is amazing. Okay, now let me cross-reference this with Bitcoin by adding it as a pair here. Let me just quickly add BTCUSD, then we check what happens. So this is Bitcoin dollar. Let me use which option do I use? Yeah, Binance is good. Binance is good. So there we go. Okay, now gold moved and did this thing way. We're going to catch it. All right, so in order for us to catch it, tomorrow's candle will have major importance on on those people who are really gonna swing this. And guys, the distance of Bitcoin's next travel is going to be as large as this, from the from this low to this level here. This is how long it will take Bitcoin to get to. Uh, so this is it, right? It's going to be okay. So this is how long it's gonna take for us to travel upwards on Bitcoin. All right, cool, no problem. Let me go back and then go to the BTC USD. I'm really sorry for the background noise, guys. I think I'm gonna have to use some noise cancellation software to get this one up out of the way. Okay, so let's go. Let's get started. Let me end this video here and remember that this is history, okay? This is history. It doesn't matter to us anymore. What matters is this level here and this level here. But this is also history, all right? This section, the bottom section of this is history because our main focus is what happens above here. So we have to make sure that our lines are accurate there. So let's do this, all right? Let's go on we're on the daily time frame, but let's switch to the line chart quickly, and then we go and do this. Okay, let's make sure that we get our angle properly. All right, let's get our angle properly, making sure that we get the angle from the top one. All right, so here we will do this one. Okay, make sure it goes here. All right, and then once we are here, we have to make sure that we have to make sure that um, price gets above this angular or this diagonal line before anything else. But in order for us to achieve this, we need to break a few things first. So price has to break above this level, and then this level for us to be clear. This is the last level. But the most important level right now is this one. Why? Because once price breaks this level and then breaks this level, it's already on the line. And then from here, whatever happens here is going to be the most important event, because after this, we'll just be going to the sky. Okay? We'll be going to the moon. All right? We'll be called Bitcoin, moonlanders, whatever. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, this is how we have to look at it in the next days, technically speaking. Now let me erase this and conduct a proper technical analysis. Now if I add back the candlestick chart, I'll consider this week and then the bodies of the rest. So it's gonna be something like this. That's okay, it's not a problem. And now we have to make sure that we understand what's going on here on Bitcoin. So in my opinion, if we use the Elliott wave theory, we will have something really interesting here. So if you go Elliott waves, and then we count wave 1, and then so I got carried away there. So it's 1, all right, then 2, okay, and then this one is the third one. Now the third one should extend all the way here. The fourth one should come all the way down here, and then the fifth is gonna break here, okay, so that we have, okay, this happening. All right, so that we have this happening, and then this happening, and then this happening, in order for us, okay, somewhere here on this level, to have another round of impulsive waves. And then we'll have one again, and then two, and then three, and then four, and then five, for example. All right. So this is what we are expecting, guys, my family. This is what we are looking for. So this is what we expect on the Bitcoin dollar. All right. This is what we are expecting. It's not going to be exactly like this. All right. It's not going to be exactly like this, but we should be close to what I've drawn here. So I hope you guys are going to catch this, because this could change your future. If you're holding Bitcoin, if you're staking Bitcoin, if you're trading Bitcoin, if you're going to swing it, whatever you're going to do to Bitcoin, the long-term bias is buy. Okay, it's bullish. Throughout October, November, and December, it's bullish. Don't sell Bitcoin. And if it does retrace below our current low, just keep on adding buys to this. All right. This is what we're looking. Now, let's say we would look for an entry right now as we speak. What am I looking for? So we're on the daily time frame. What we want is only the 5 previous candles, right? We have to look at the 5 previous candles, and then we focus on there. So the daily time frame, actually 7, because Bitcoin doesn't close during the weekend. So this is going to be the first, right? The first was going to be, today's what? Today is Monday, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let me look at my calendar. So yes, today is Monday. So this candle doesn't count. Let's count from the previous one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this was the weekly low. Okay, last week's low was here. But if we have to add a total of the other candles, these two candles are not going to be counted in. I mean, just this one is not going to be counted, sorry. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so this is 3, this is another 3, and this is the 7th. So this is the weekly low. Now let me erase this and then add a line here, and then we'll add a stop loss sign there. That's gonna be our low, and then our weekly high was this one, which was just wicked. Okay, so price did weak our high. Okay, as you can see here, it did weak, but then price closed below. All right, this week broke above the previous weekly high, but then price closed below. That's not a problem. It's not a problem. We will have to find a way to solve this issue. This is a technical issue. We need to solve it. So in order for us to solve this technical issue, we need to focus. All right, this is it. So we're gonna focus on the previous day candles. Okay, previous daily candle is going to be here. This is the body of the previous daily candle, but just for, you know, conservancy case, we will have to wait for price to break above this line. Let me give it a color. Let me put it red. So once price is above the red line, we can keep buying big time, but it should be with a body, not with a wick. And then for as long as price does break below this red line again at the bottom, or let me add blue or something. So blue, the blue line, we sell. So anything, I'm not giving this to you as a signal because I want you guys to learn. That's why I teach like this. So anything above the red line, we go for buys. Anything below the blue line, this is when the body closes below the blue line, we go for sales. Okay, and if we are going for sales, our target is here. Nothing is gonna stop us from going here. Okay, although some people can start taking partials around the $60,000 560 mark, but then this is it. Okay, and for the upside, our take profit target is going to be the equidistance or equal distance to the one we have down here at the bottom. All right. So guys, I'm really sorry for the background noise once again. My family is around, TV is loud, my kid is running in the house. It's normal people stuff. But I thank you for your time, and I hope that you learned something from this video as well. Okay? Yeah.